Hey, Ollie, what kind of night is it?
It's date night.
And what are we gonna do?
We're gonna do this painting kit. I've always wanted to try it and get it for my son. So we're gonna have some fun.
Let's do it. All right, Ollie, which one are we doing?
We're gonna be doing, well, I really like this one, but we're gonna do this one because I like this one better.
What's that one called?
Dreaming of Snow.
All right, let's get to it. Okay, for this video, we're only gonna be using the comic book instructions here. And I'm actually gonna have Ollie make all the first paint strokes, and then I'm gonna follow up and do my own. We're gonna see who has the best painting at the very end. So, you feeling good? Yeah, all right, let's do it. All right, Ollie, so you wanna take a little bit of bright red on the same brush and make a little bit of a pink. So go ahead and make some circles there. So Ollie, what did we just realize?
We put the canvas the wrong way, so we have to change it to vertical.
I guess the first thing about doing Bob Ross painting is you should actually look at the final result.
Oh my God.
All right, so I found out if you do this with 2 people, you want to make sure you maybe have 2 kits, because if somebody's going a little bit slower, that your paint starts to dry up kind of fast. All right, we have to wait 10 minutes, so wine time.
Cheers.
Think like a tree, Ollie. You got to think like a tree.
Here I am.
How's the tree coming?
It's coming along just
Is
fine.
it? Uh-huh.
Look at these branches are.
Are you seeing all the tree shapes in there?
Kind of, a little bit.
Does it look like a tree?
Not really.
You seem to be doing a lot better with snow than actually making the tree.
The snow is fun.
All right, Ollie, this is your first time making a what?
A tree.
All right, load up that fan brush. Let's see how you do. Do the line. No, tap the line in like I showed you. Tap, 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 tap. There you go. All right. Now use the corner of the brush. Corner. That's not the corner. There you go. Now tap zigzag. Make Z's. And then get wider as you come down to the bottom.
If I was a bush, I would tap like this.
But that's not getting you anywhere.
I know.
Does that look too bad? Okay. Is that what you want your bush to do?
Yep, just a small one.
Just a little small guy? All right.
It's like a pattern bush.
What is that supposed to be?
I don't know. It's funny.
That's not bad. All right, Ollie, this is what mine looks like.
Oh, well, mine's not
What are you gonna do?
Don't
The
worry.
whole world is waiting. All right, think about how snow would fall on a tree. Do light taps and then you can always add more. Hey, Ollie.
Hi.
All right, Ollie, what did you learn about trees?
You have to just be gentle and you have to angle them the right way. And then you just let it flow naturally.
Okay, trees are hard, right?
Yes, they're really hard.
That tree's looking way better.
Yeah, way better.
Way better. There is a lot of boob in this video. What are you gonna do?
A tree, dead tree, like I always do.
There you go. Okay, now you've been talking mad game like you're gonna dominate it.
I am gonna dominate.
You've been looking at that comic book pretty hard. Let's see what you got.
You put me in the spot though.
That's one thick tree. Look at that concentration. How's the snow going?
It's going okay.
Are you proud of your tree as you were 35 seconds ago?
I like the tree,
Oh.
but it's like sideways.
So how was it painting it, Ollie?
I had a lot of fun. I love that it's a kid size and it's small, and my tree looks a little funny, but other than that, it was so much fun.
How was it trying to do wet on wet with the acrylics in your first landscape?
It was fun, and I think that you'll enjoy it with your little ones.
What happened to the top line there?
I accidentally taped it off incorrectly, so it's sideways.
All right, so here is mine. I didn't do the twigs. I'm not a big fan of like twig slash bare trees there. So I did rocks instead for fun. I also added a little bit of highlight on the snow with the like sunlight coming through and kicking on it. I think it looks really good. There's a lot of depth on it, which made it a lot of fun. The things that I learned about doing the Bob Ross for kids or doing acrylic paint with the brushes that you get, the little kid ones, is really work them first before you paint with them, because they're so close together that they actually need to like loosen up, so that way you can make more tree shapes, tree and bushes shapes in general, plus the highlights that go on the trees and the snow, and it'll be 10 times better. You can see that my tree here sucks, and then this other tree is actually pretty decent. It's because the brush actually got to loosen up. So we learned something, but overall, this was a really fun date night. Don't you think, Ollie?
Yes, it was amazing.